Imagine two friends. One starts investing at age 25. The other waits until age 35. The second friend earns more money, saves more each month, and works just as hard. So who ends up richer? The surprising answer has nothing to do with income. It all comes down to one thing: time. Let's see why starting early can be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Meet John and Scott. John starts investing $300 every month at age 25. Scott waits until age 35, but also invests $300 every month. Both earn an average annual return of 10%, which is close to the long-term historical average of the U.S. stock market before inflation. By age 65, John has invested $144,000. Scott has invested $108,000. At first glance, the difference doesn't seem huge, but here's what happens. John's portfolio grows to well over $1.5 million. Scott ends up with around $650,000. A 10-year head start creates nearly $1 million in extra wealth. Why this happens? The secret isn't investing more, it's compound growth. Think of compound growth like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it grows slowly, but as it rolls, it collects more snow. Then it gets bigger. And because it's bigger, it collects even more snow. Your investments work the same way. In the beginning, your money earns returns. Later, those returns begin earning their own returns. Eventually, your gains become larger than the money you're adding every month. That's when wealth starts growing much faster. Time is the fuel that makes compound growth powerful. Without enough time, the snowball never becomes massive. The biggest mistake: many people believe they should wait until they have a higher salary before investing. But waiting often costs far more than investing small amounts today. Even if you can only invest $50 or $100 per month, you're giving your money something priceless: time. You can always increase your investments later, but you can never recover lost years. The earlier you begin, the harder your money works for you. The lesson is simple. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You need to start before you become rich. Every dollar invested today has years or even decades to grow. So don't wait for the perfect job.